Hey everyone, my name is Jake Batt, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own online store. This is a business that I used to run, Exuto Media, still have the store. This is just built in WooCommerce. I built it for free. I mean, it's not completely free. You're going to need a hosting account, a domain name, and then a theme. I'm using for this particular site, this theme is Salient, which is a premium theme. I believe it's $60 US. You don't have to use this theme. It's just the theme that I'm using. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do it, how simple it is to do. It's going to take 5 or 10 minutes to actually set up the installation. You can go the free route and continue building without buying Salient, or you can buy Salient, and I'm going to provide a link to that theme below. But yeah, let's as you can see, like, this website, it's really nice, like video background, nice buttons, you know, the featured products. You got this, it goes to each product. You know, I actually did a bit of custom design myself here. You got all this, what's in the box, returns, blah blah blah. Then you got these little hero, I don't know if that's what it's called, hero section, and then a video, and then a cool layout here, and then this nice image. And so yeah, like, as you can see, like, it's a really nice website, very easy to build. There's actually very, like, as far as design and putting this together, there isn't much involved. It's just kind of getting your colors and everything else set up after the fact, but it's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's jump right into it. First thing you're going to need a web host. I use Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed web hosting service. They're a little bit more expensive than the typical shared hosting, and that's just because I've got an entire server here. So I've got 6 or 7 websites on this server. It cost me about $28 US a month. The performance of this server is going to beat those shared hosting accounts, because when you're going to those cheaper options that $20-50 a year, you're sharing the resources on those servers with other websites. So if you've got a big website on your server and you'd have no clue. You're gonna lack performance on your website, and especially if you're looking to build an online store, you need high performance. You need fast loading websites. You need these perks, like these one-click installations, which I'm going to show you in a minute. What else do you need? You need the free SSL. Like, any e-commerce website that doesn't have an SSL, you're going to get that error. If I don't know if it will show up here. If I take this away, will it give me that error? No, it doesn't here, because it's going to redirect. But there's gives you a little error saying this site's not secure, blah blah blah. You get that for free on Cloudways. So let's, without me digging too much into it, there's a separate video on how you can link your name to Cloudways. I'm not going to cover that in this video. I just kind of want to build out bare bones WooCommerce and then go from there. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to install WordPress and WooCommerce on your server. The great thing about Cloudways is we can do that with a couple of clicks. Okay, so you want to go to your server, go to your applications. I'm hoping you already have a Cloudways account. If not, this part would be slightly different on a different hosting provider, but there are other options as far as one click installations go. So yeah, so first things first, add application, select your server, add application, and then here, so you can install WordPress, or you can install WooCommerce with WordPress, which is a lot easier than separating the two. So we're going to do that. As you can see here, recommended 4 gig or higher for production websites, 2 or 1 for staging websites. I personally I'm running a 2 gig. I've not had any issues with performance So I'm going to say you don't need a 4 gigabyte or higher for a production website for WooCommerce with Cloudways. But you can test it yourself. I've not had any issues with that. So let's go ahead and name this. I'm just going to call it your WooCommerce website, or actually new online store. Your project, add application. Okay, so I'm going to give it a minute. Oh, actually, yeah, sorry. I'm going to give it 2 minutes for that to finish installing, and then we'll jump on. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, now that's installed, you should have a application here in the application section. So you want to click on that, and then here is where you're going to get your login and your URL. So there, we don't have this link to a domain just yet, but if you wanted to learn how to do that, I'm going to link a video below. Really easy to do. So just go to the domain. Might take a minute here because this is the first time we've done it. But as you can see, it's installed WordPress. It's on this domain. We can point that after. And then there's a little shop section here. There's nothing in the shop section, but yeah, there's WooCommerce is installed. So what you want to do is you want to log in. So go to WP admin. Like you've already got a store. Like it doesn't look nice, but you've already got a store done. And then so with Cloudways, it actually creates you a username and password, so you don't have to do that manual setup. You used to have to long ago, and I don't know if you have to do it. Yeah, you probably do. You had to set up your own database, username, password. There was a whole installation process. It was a pain in the ass. It's much better now. All you got to do, click a few buttons, and you're off, you're away. So anyway, copy your password. Remember your username. Go to your login and type it in. Paste in your password, and boom. WordPress installation, brand new installation. And then you've got WooCommerce here. Hopefully you do have some, like, you've experienced using WordPress before, because some of this might look a little confusing. But like, as you can see, WooCommerce is set up. WordPress is set up. There is like a little setup wizard for WooCommerce. You can fill this all out. Well, actually, you have to fill it out. Doesn't take long to do at all. And then just, I agree, set up my store. I'm just starting my business. Give your store a name. New store. Electronics. That's just where I am. That's my email address. No, we don't want to receive tips. Get a boost with our free features. I mean, this is all cool, and you can do all of this, but I'm just going to skip that. Turning on the lights. Okay, now I think this is the configuration section. I haven't done an outline for this video at all. I'm just winging it here. Quickly create a beautiful looking store. So you can start customizing things. It's very easy to do. I'm probably not going to get into all the details here. But like you can, oh, okay. Oh no, this is WooCommerce. So you can buy a theme from WooCommerce. I would not recommend buying one of these themes. Not to say that they're bad. Astra is actually free. Free plan available. So I mean, you could use that. I really like Salient. Like I said, this is for WooCommerce. Like I like Divi's WooCommerce websites, and I also like Salient. But let me show you real quick here. Salient WordPress theme. I'm going to link it below. Please use my link. I will receive a commission. I appreciate the help and the support. But here we go. There we go. So let's have a look. Pre-built websites, shop. And I think it's this one that I used. Yep, e-commerce robust. So you can see like these they look sick. Like it looks nice, man. Like someone's really took the time to make this a nice theme. You don't have to sell cosmetic products or skincare or whatever. Like you can sell whatever you want, and this will kind of sell itself. Look at it, like this is awesome. Like how they've really put this together. They've made a lot of effort into making this such a premium quality theme. And I can tell you one thing: I've used Salient for I'm gonna say 10 years. I've used them for 10 years, and they have just constantly provided updates. The last update was, and you can see what's new, updates. View full changelog. Is there a date? I'm just trying to find a date on it. Yeah, look, 17th of September. And actually, that's, no, 1st of October. So what is it now? October 20th. And this is a theme that I've been using for 10 plus years. And they just constantly bring out new demos, new features. Like, I'm not going to get into everything, but you can see like their demos. In fact, like this is my blog layout. This one here, I love this one. This is a SaaS landing page, real nice. You know, hero section. This, like, I don't know what the word is for this, but like this video thing. Testimonials here, and then you can go through them. But I really like let's try and stay on topic a little bit here. I really like the stores, and there's a few different options. I really like this product page too. You know, you go into all the details. You got these little toggle buttons that explain the product. Like this shit is, sorry, I shouldn't have swore, but this is built to sell. Like this is a landing page on a product page. And as you can see, like it is awesome. Anyway, I've definitely gone off track. So, I don't even know where I was at. And that's why I should have a outline. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, now that you've got WooCommerce installed, the next thing you want to do is configure a theme. I mean, you can add your products, you can set up your payment, you can set up sales tax, shipping, and then launch your store. Like, you can do all this. You don't need me to show you how to do this. It's literally start customizing and then go ahead, fill out all the fields. You can add your products here, and then you can add your product images. What we're going to do is we're going to download this demo. We're going to import it into our installation, and then you're going to have a website like this, basically. So go ahead, purchase Salient. If you don't want to use Salient, then maybe the rest of this tutorial is not for you. And I'm gonna give you maybe the end part is because I'm going to show you how to upload a product. If you are purchasing Salient, I'm going to walk you through how to get this design right here. Okay. So next thing, appearance, themes, add new theme, and then you want to upload theme. So assuming you've already gone to Salient, bought Salient, you're going to choose file, I've already downloaded the installable WordPress file, and then you're going to click install now. Now I'm not going to do it because I've already installed it, but that's what you got to do. Okay, once you've got it installed, you want to click on activate. Let that do its thing. Might take a second. Bang. Okay. Newest version. Yeah, just showing you what's up with the theme. You got a bunch of required plugins here. Well, these two you definitely have to install. So begin installing those plugins. Just for now, you can add all this other stuff. Actually, I'm going to do the demo importer. Salient core. This is the page builder. Home slider. Let's just, for the time being, I might do the home slider. and the nectar slider. You know what? Let's just do. You know what? Let's just do them all. Update, apply. It's going to take a second. Oh, sorry. Install, not update. Okay, done. Okay, so that's all set. Okay, if we look at the main page, there is probably a demo. Oh no, okay, so it's in coming soon mode. We'll switch that out. Let's go, we've got the theme active. Let's go configure the demo. I like, which one was it? The e-commerce robust. So what we're going to do is, sorry, I've got a bunch open here. That should be done. So we're going to go to Salient. We're going to go to import, export. And now, bear in mind, you can't do this with every theme, but this one is pretty good as far as importing the demo. You do have a bunch of leftover content from the demo, but yeah, like it's pretty seamless. Let me show you how to do that. It says import from file. Now, I was pretty sure you could... Oh, that's why. Okay. We want to activate all these plugins. I apologize. So go here, select all, activate, apply. So I just installed them. I didn't activate them. I apologize. That's my bad. Okay, now we go back to Salient. Here's the admin panel for Salient. And then you want to go to Demo Importer. And then, I mean, you don't have to use the e-commerce robust. That's just the demo that I like. So, yeah, import demo. You can include the demo content for this. Just because this is a tutorial, I'm going to include the demo content. We've got all the necessary plugins, theme option settings. You want to, I mean, if you've made modifications already, then maybe you want to turn that off. But if you want the theme to be exactly like the demo, you want to import the theme option settings and then widgets as well. So keep them all checked. Unless you've already made modifications, then you want to turn off theme option settings. And then you want to click on confirm demo import. As you can see, it's starting to import the demo. It's going to take a minute, so I'll be right back when this is finished. Okay, now that the demo is imported, if you go to the page, this is that. Yeah, boom. There we go. Look at it. I mean, there's some menu configuration things here, but for the most part, everything's installed. You can see you got your featured products, blah blah. All you got to do is now you just got to go through all this and you got to make changes to all the content. So use your own content. I mean, and that's a little bit more in depth. I can definitely create another video that kind of goes over how to edit these pages. But I would like to explore that at a different date, just because it's going to be super time consuming. But as you can see, like, you've got, this is the bones, this is the structure. You've got a phenomenal website already done. And I think, what have you spent? Like, if you bought Cloudways, you spent $28 a month. If you got a domain, you spent $10, $15. And then if you bought the theme, $69. So, I mean, less than $100. Or is that $100? 70, 18, 90, 100, 120 bucks. Like, 120 bucks, and you've got a website that looks like a professional website. Now, there is some minor edits, so you will have to do some work, but I can tell you now, like, it's minor. You know, the only thing is, the next part that might be time consuming is, hopefully you don't have 1,000 products, because then you're going to have to upload 1,000 product images and 1,000 products, 1,000 descriptions, 1,000 prices, blah, blah, blah. You can do it in an Excel file and you can upload it. Hopefully you've only got 5 or 6 products, or this is something that you're just going to keep adding to. But to add a new product, and I'm not going to show you how to add a new one because it's pretty easy. and I can find some more resources on how you do that for you. Like there's no point in me reinventing everything and showing you all those tiny minor details, but you want to go in to their products and you want to take a look now, and I'm pretty sure like they've got this is not how I want to do it though. Hold on a second here. This is not right. Let's have a look. Preview changes. Let's have a look at this page. So this structure here, like here, this is where just give me 1 second. I can't remember how to do this. I thought it was a builder. Yeah, just close this a second. Screen options. Why is that like that? There's a reason, I forget why, but you're supposed to have the builder there, and I think it's in the settings. Well, maybe it's mod editor. Sorry, that's what it is. Editor. Oh no, sorry. Admin. Post types, custom. There we go. Post page. Let's just do it all. Do it all. Turn those all on. Save changes. Hoping that works. Let's leave that open. Let's go to a product page. All products. Edit. There we go. Got it. Okay. There you go. There you can see now you have different. You have the builder option here. So all this. Let's have a look. View product. All this. So you have this. This is your standard layout. So you can configure this layout in your salient settings. I actually like this layout. You will have to keep the layout like so. These like you can see right here. This picture is actually cut off. So you want to make sure that both of these images are the exact same size. And then you just have a small, if you add this description, you add it any longer, it's going to go down, obviously. But it looks really cool. So a small, short description, and then you want to, this is what I just enabled with those things that I just changed there. So this is the page builder and how you can create like this custom design, custom product page. And you can really keep going here, really get creative on what you want to do. But like as you can see, like this is lovely. This is a great store, great product page. The only issue I'm seeing is the menu. You could just go to adjust that. Probably do that pretty easy, but you just gotta if you're new to WordPress, like all you're doing here is replacing images, changing the title. You can make modifications to all this. This is a little bit more advanced, and I'll definitely go over page builders and how to make changes like this. And then you can change the price, inventory levels. You can put the SKU in, UPC. That I think that's new. UPC, like adding that there. It used to just be the SKU, so that's cool. You can track the stock. You know, you got your shipping. You can set up some classes for free shipping. Linked products, like there's so much you can do, and it's maybe a little bit more involved. But as you can see, we've installed Cloudways. We've purchased Cloudways. We've got our own domain. The domain name setup, I'm going to include a link in the bottom of the video. Then we've bought Salient. We've uploaded Salient to WordPress, and then we've imported the demo to create this beautiful theme. All you need to do now is go through the theme, make changes to content, give it your own touch, add your store name, adjust the menu, bloody blah. Like so, maybe I will explore more of these kind of like how to make it look more like, you know, this. But yeah, I'm gonna end it there because we've got the store, we've installed Cloudways, we've done everything we need to do, and then let's explore in some other videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.